Hello aspirants, I am Kanan from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have recently cleared RRBPU, SBPU and I am waiting for my results in NAACL AO also. I started my preparation initially for Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examinations but couldn't able to clear it. I thought that it was that I wasn't capable for or adapting to the vast syllabus uh, and knowing the current trend in opportunities. I switched my preparation to banking in 2020, and as I have only two chances left in banking to prepare for banking examinations, I started preparing vigorously. That too only for probationary officer examinations. My source of preparation come learning rests on only YouTube channels, and as we have two stages of written examinations, most of the channels found in YouTube mainly concerned about prelims. As all of us initially focus on prelims to clear examinations, the views are also yielding much results for the channels also. But when I started gasping for mains preparation, only very few are trying to give contents, and that too even for only a few days only. I found much difficult to solve mains level questions, either it may be quants, reasoning, or English. Um, and by chance, I have got help from a Telegram channel meant especially for IBPS PO, and I was shared a link with Virtuous channel. The content provided in it was authentic, foolproof, efficacious, easily solve complicated puzzles, and I have watched all the mains level contents provided in the playlist and improved day by day, especially reasoning. A result, I have enriched my confidence and cracked every exam I have faced. My dear aspirants, exams are approaching. Make use of quality contents and always stress on it. My kind advice to each one of you is nowadays competition seems to be colossal. Embrace self confidence in you, and I know that Mr. Dhruv sir will enhance his support to every aspirants to make their dreams come true. Thank you, aspirants, and thank you, Dhruv sir.